In science, the most exciting discoveries often come when we least expect them. A routine experiment conducted by researchers at Penn State University led to something no one was prepared for. A mysterious particle, theorized for years but never observed, suddenly revealed itself. But what makes this particle truly extraordinary is how it behaves. It acts massless in one direction, like a photon, and yet carries mass in another, like an electron. This is no ordinary particle. What is it? And how did we find it? Stay with us as we unpack this incredible breakthrough. The discovery happened in an experiment that pushed the boundaries of science. A crystal of zirconium silicon sulfide was cooled to near absolute zero and exposed to a magnetic field 900,000 times stronger than Earth's. When infrared light illuminated the crystal, the mysterious particle emerged, defying expectations and theories that had remained unproven for decades. The particle is now known as Semi-Dirac Fermion, named after the renowned physicist Paul Dirac. It belongs to the category of quasiparticles, which exhibit the properties of both fermions and bosons, making it a unique and fascinating quantum entity.